you culinary cats and kittens, Chef Eric Villegas here, and welcome to Sous Vide Fresh Bites. Today's recipe, chocolate pudding sous vide. Who would have thunked it? I do love me some chocolate pudding, and this recipe is super simple. So when you're using eggs, sous vide is the perfect way to cook these because the temperature is so fine. Within 1/10 of a degree, you can get really lovely, silky finished products using eggs and cream, making custards, that kind of thing. So what are we going to do? In the food processor, I'm going to first add some heavy whipping cream. C'est très important. And then to that, I'm going to add some maple sugar. And to that, some cocoa powder. And then to that, some whole eggs and yolks. And then some pure vanilla extract. And then just a pinch of sea salt or kosher salt. It just highlights the flavor. There we go there. Now we're just going to go ahead and whiz it up. Just about 20-30 seconds just to mix everything together. And then I'm going to clean up. We're going to put it in the bag. And using these bag holders is really nice because this is definitely a multi-hand operation. And then to this, the last addition, chocolate chips. Now I'm using semi-sweet chips. You could use any chocolate you wanted. If you want a more forceful flavor, you know, you can go bittersweet. Let's vacuum seal this bad boy up. Liquids, it shouldn't be a problem, but we are full of dairy in this one. And dairy likes to foam up, so you want to make sure that it's really cold, number one. And number two, you want to make sure by watching it that you're not going to overfill the bag. So, drop the top. Got my finger on the stop, and I'm just going to watch. And when it starts to foam up, if it starts to look like it's going to breach the bag, I hit stop-a-rooney. Ooh, and look at that. It rose right there. That's a professional seal, my friends. All sealed up. I've got my circulator set for 82 Celsius. Drop in the bag for about 45 minutes or so, and we'll have pudding. It's ready. The pudding is chilled. Pudding in the bag. So here's what we're going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and open the bag and squirt it all into a bowl. And you can see how nice and thick it is. And that's just from the eggs and the actual chocolate. Who would have thunked it? So there you have it. Yet another sous vide bite for you. If you enjoy what you saw and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I would love to hear from you. Please leave a comment and let's chat. So until next time, see ya!